Psalm 84. To the chief musician upon Gittith, a psalm for the sons of Korah. How amiable are your tabernacles, O Lord of hosts! My soul longs, yes, even faints, for the courts of the Lord. My heart and my flesh cries out for the living God. Yes, the sparrow has found an house, and the swallow a nest for herself, where she may lay her young, even your altars, O Lord of hosts, my King and my God. Blessed are they that dwell in your house, they will be still praising you, Selah. Blessed is the man whose strength is in you, in whose heart are the ways of them, who passing through the valley of Baca make it a well. The rain also fills the pools. They go from strength to strength. Every one of them in Zion appears before God. O Lord God of hosts, hear my prayer. Give ear, O God of Jacob. Selah. Behold, O God, our shield, and look upon the face of your anointed. For a day in your courts is better than 1,000. I had rather be a doorkeeper in the house of my God than to dwell in the tents of wickedness. For the Lord God is a sun and shield. The Lord will give grace and glory. No good thing will he withhold from them that walk uprightly. O Lord of hosts, blessed is the man that trusts in you.